that George Poteet?
George Poteet, the Medici of Mississippi. This guy has commissioned, what, 150 pro-built cars? Not to mention the fact that he's been 450 miles an hour at Bonneville.
Well, I want to go over 400, which there's only like 10 people got record over 400 in the world. We made a 462 mile an hour pass with it.
You say it like you're brushing your teeth. I'm like, you're talking about going 460 miles an hour.
Well, I didn't know I was going 460 until I got a time slip.
Basically, in the car world, this is Batman's lair. In the middle of Mississippi, nobody knows where all these things are. What about this? This kind of looks like a Bullet Mustang.
I didn't want to totally copy the Bullet car, but I like the Highland Green, and it's got a full rotor shop chassis under it with LS3 Chevrolet engine in it.
Oh no, not an LS in a Mustang. They disguise an LS inside of this like exterior that looks like the original motor, and it'll fool you. I mean, when you walk up, you're like, man, you could be fooled into a 302 Ford. This is the difference in George versus so many of the collectors or builders that are out there. George is not afraid to just do whatever the hell he wants.
That's the beauty of electronic fuel injection and no carburetor.
Absolutely.
You custom fit a car, you know, like having a pair of high-dollar cowboy boots made. You know, we custom fit it to me.
What is this thing? 55 or 6? 50...
It's a 56,
56.
150. That's an LS7 engine with a Whipple supercharger and about 750 horsepower. The only requirements I had with them is it's got to have an automatic in it and air conditioning on it. You know, I like to drive my cars.
Want to take it around the block?
I love to.
Nice. Nothing like a joyride with a land speed holder. Not scary at all.
I don't enjoy a whole lot of competitiveness with an everyday driver car. I try to keep the competitiveness separated from the enjoyment.
That was awesome. What else we got?
Over there, I got 2 Bonneville cars that were in the shop.
Let's go.